day everyone, ako si Isaac Cesanover. I am a grade 5 student of Section J, running as a position of President from Precinct Party List. Number 2 sa balota, Kate Cesanover. And do not forget to vote straight, vote wisely, and vote for the Precinct Party List.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Monica Mansili from Grade 5 Kingfisher, running for a position of Vice President from First Party List. Number 4 sa balota, Monica Mansili, vote straight, vote wisely, and vote for the First Party List.
May bunta karon tanan, ako di ay si Rochelle Martina J. Cosi. Mudagan isip usa ka secretary sa Precinct Party List. Gikan sa Grade 5 Section Maya sa Special Science Class. Manghinaot ko nga inyo ming butaran. Number 6 sa balota, Rochelle Martina J. Cosi. Please vote straight, vote wisely, and vote for the Precinct Party List. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lesmarie R. Pausa. I'm from Grade 4 St. Faustina, running as a position of treasurer. Number 8 sa balota, and don't forget to vote straight and vote wisely and vote for Precinct Party List.
Hello everyone, I am Monica Jones, DNTC, running for the position of the CLG Auditor. I am number 10 sa balota. Please don't forget to vote straight, vote wisely, and vote for Precinct Party List. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Clyde Minzo Palecte. I am grade 4 St. Andrew and I'm running as your PIO. But don't forget, my number is 13 sa balota. Vote straight, vote wisely, and vote Precinct Party List. Thank you.
Good morning everybody, I am Rachel Argalara, as running as PIO for the Precinct Party List. Number 14 sa balota. Don't forget to vote straight, wisely, and vote for the Precinct Party List. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Chloe Sofia T. Mancapobre. I am from the Grade 5 KEA. I am running as a protocol officer from the Precinct Party List. Don't forget, number 17 sa balota, Chloe Sofia T. Mancapobre. Please vote straight, vote wisely, and vote for the Precinct Party List. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jasmine Inabre, and I am from Grade 5 KEA Lim. And I am running for the position of PO. Nang hinauton kami nga inyong ibutagan sa karon nga election. Always remember, number 18 sa balota. Please vote straight, vote wisely, and vote for the Precinct Party List. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Carl Nathaniel Morano. I'm grade 2 Orange. I'm running for grade 3 representative of Precinct Party List. Don't forget to vote Carl Nathaniel Morano, number 21 sa balota. Karon mo abot sa February 14. Vote straight, vote wisely, vote Precinct Party List. Thank you.
Morning everyone. My name is Aliyah Jade N. Tolomea. I'm grade 2 Guyabano, running for grade 3 representative Precinct Party List. Don't forget to vote Aliyah Jade N. Tolomea, number 22 sa balota. Vote straight, vote wisely, vote Precinct Party List. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Christina A. Tequila. I am grade 2 Section Diamond. I am grade 4 representative of Precinct Party List. Number 25 sa balota. Don't forget to vote straight, vote wisely, vote Precinct Party List. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I'm Shoptaya Miles F. Dakulan. I am in grade 3 Diamond. I am running for grade 4 representative of Precinct Party List. Number 26 sa balota. And don't forget, I'm Shotaya Miles F. Dakulan. Please vote straight, vote wisely, and vote for the Precinct Party List. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Johnny Eve and Barbon. I'm from grade 4 St. Dominic. I'm running for grade 5 representative of Precinct Party List. Number 30 sa balota. Please vote straight, vote wisely, and vote for the Precinct Party List. Thank you.
Morning everyone. My name is Trixie May B. Palangka.
agenda kay healthy environment. Number 1, keeping our school tidy. Number 2, not littering but recycling paper and plastic. Number 3, minimal waste pollution.
Ang ikaduha nga agenda, observe communities. 1. Observe custom activities. 2. Text for cultural review. Set goals for community.
Ang may katulong agenda kay respect teachers. Respect teachers is showing appreciation and consideration for their role, expertise, and effort in educating and guiding students. Number 1, greet teachers. Number 2, use polite language. Number 3, help teachers. And number 4, apologize if needed.
Mao ni ang among ikaupat nga agenda. Proper waste segregation. Ilahi ang basura nga malata ug di malata. Thank you.
Ang ikalimang agenda, using 3 R's. Reduce, to use less of a certain material and using alternatives. Reuse, finding another purpose for materials that have already been used. Recycle, producing a new product of a discovered material.